Good morning, children. How you all? I hope all are fine and good. Today I am going to continue the English chapter of first standard, that is health is happiness. Already you have studied what is health in the last class. So what is health, children? Health is our physical fitness. Without health we cannot be happy. Have you heard the proverb that health is wealth? So if you have fever, headache or toothache, any physical issue, will you be happy? No, right? You will be sad. This is a small example that our health is very important and health is happiness. So, shall we start the lesson? Children, go to the page number 4. Take out your pencil and I will read line by line. You should underline the difficult words and practice it. It is a small conversation between brother and sister. So, children, what is conversation? What do you mean by conversation? Conversation means speaking. When two people talk each other is called conversation. Here both brother and sister speaking about health. So, who are they? They are Manoj and Sharadi. Who are they? They are Manoj and Sharadi. Tell with me, Manoj and Sharadi. Okay. So children, let's begin. One day Manoj returned home sadly after school. My friend Ankita did not come to school today, Manoj said to his sister Sharadi. So children, where do you go early in the morning after getting ready? Where do you go first? You go to school. So, as you go to school, even here in this lesson, Manoj went to school happily. Even you will be very happy while going to school, isn't it, children? So here Manoj went school happily. But he was very sad when he returned home. He was very upset after returning to home from school. After coming back to home from school, Manoj had a conversation with his sister. What Manoj said to his sister Sharadi? He said, "My friend Ankita did not come to school today." So here Manoj is sad because his friend Ankita is absent today. Even you also feel bad if your friend did not come to school, isn't it? Yes. What was Manoj's sister name, children? Sharadi. Okay. Manoj's sister's name is Sharadi and Manoj's friend name is Ankita. Okay. Next. Why? Sharadi asked. So, what did Sharadi reply to the Manoj's answer? She asked Manoj, why Ankita did not come today? If you tell your sister or parents that your friend is absent today, so your parents will ask you, why your friend did not come to school today? Same like, here Sharadi asks Manoj, why she did not come to school today? So let's see what Manoj replies. She is not well, Manoj replied. Manoj replies that she is not well. She is sick. Sick means when you're not well, even you don't go to school, right? Here, sick means not well. Yes, you will not go to school when you're sick. As you have fever or cold, even you doubt to go school. Same like Ankita did not go to school because she is sick. She is not well. So, our health is important. We need three things to keep us healthy. Sharadi started explaining to Manoj. So here, Sharadi is a elder sister. You know how elder sister behaves in your home. Even you would have elder sister at home. They will also give you suggestions and they will help you even in your homeworks, right children? So Sharadi is giving suggestions to Manoj regarding health. Our health is important means health is wealth. You have a proverb saying that health is wealth. If you are healthy and fit, you will be happy always. So health is very precious thing. Eating well, exercising and getting enough sleep, said Sharadi. Here Three things are very important to be healthy. What are they? What are the three things that helps us to be healthy? Let's see. Eating well. First one is eating well, exercising, and getting enough sleep, said Sharadi. Eating well. What do you mean by eating well? It means you should have clean and hygienic food. Hygienic means fresh and clean. You should not eat junk food. You should only eat food which is covered. Okay, children, it will keep you healthy. Second one, exercising. Exercising means when you get up early in the morning, what do? You can see your neighbors or you can see your parents, brothers and sisters. They are doing exercise in the early morning because it helps us to keep healthy. So exercise keeps us healthy and fit. It will prevent many pains too, isn't it? Next, enough sleep means when you do your routine, you get up early in the morning, you do your work, you go to school, you come back from school, you do your homeworks, and at night you will sleep. If you have a nice sleep, then your next morning will be good. Early to bed, early to wake makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Early to bed, early to wake makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. It is said that at least you have to sleep 8 hours. How many hours? 8 hours. So, what is eating well? Manoj asked. What food should we take? Sharadi tells to Manoj. Now we go for the page number 5. Okay. Food plays a large part in health. Healthy food includes fresh fruits and vegetables, but not junk food, Sharadi explained. So, what is healthy food? Food plays an important role. A large part of health is depend upon eating fresh food. So, for example, if you not have hygiene and clean food, you may fall sick. Yes or no? Yes. I know many would have biscuit, snacks, chips, burger or pizza, and it is not hygienic, and we all know that it is not hygiene food. Are these healthy food? No, these are not healthy food. Then what are healthy food? You should have vegetables, fruits, milk. These are all healthy food. Vegetables, fruits and milk. What are the healthy food? The food which are prepared at home are healthy food. It may be a vegetable or prepared with milk, etc. Food means what we eat for our body. Okay. Next, we get food and sleep at home, but where can we get exercise? Manoj asked. What Manoj asked? We get food and sleep at home, but where can we get exercise? Manoj asked. First, what did I say? 3 things to keep us healthy are eating well, exercising and getting enough sleep. So first thing, eating well. He got a solution answer for eating well. So next he asked what is exercising, how to do it, from where should we learn it. We get food and sleep at home, but from where should we get exercising? Next, playing is a very good form of exercise. Yoga is another excellent activity. Don't worry about whenever you get time, go out and play with friends. Saying this, Sharadi pushed Manoj out to play with his friends. So, here, playing is a very good form of exercise. Sharadi replies to Manoj. Playing is a very good form of exercise. So, do you love indoor or outdoor games? Many children likes indoor or outdoor. Even boys love outdoor games like cricket, coco and all, right? Mainly boys love to play outside, even girls too. They play skipping, badminton, tennis and all. Will you play, children? Yeah, you also play. Same like. What Sharadi replies to Manoj here? Yoga is another excellent activity. As you all do yoga in at your school, isn't it? Saturday, weekly once you will do yoga. Right, children? Same like yoga is another excellent activity. It is also a form of exercise. So, next, she tells next, don't worry about it. Whenever you get time, go out and play with friends. Saying this, Sharadi pushed Manoj out to play with his friend. You also play games at school and you will do yoga. This is all form of to keep your health fit. It keeps us you healthy. Okay, children. I hope all understood.